Raven. Skill number 1. Sneaky. Skill number 2. Perceptive. Rarity. Rare. With the help of a secret engineer, Raven performs big acts of thievery with the range of incredible gadgets. She started off as an athletics performer. Trait: Gold Digger. 5% chance to get a gold nugget from quests. Raven, Castle Cats Wiki, Fandom. Gender: female. Rarity: rare. Role: sneak thief. Skills: sneaky, perceptive. Trait: gold digger. Added in version 3.6. This page contains information and dialogue for Raven. Much of the content below is copied verbatim from Castle Cats and is therefore copyrighted by Cat. Raven is an event cat that can currently be acquired in Castle Cats. Raven is a rare Call of Heroes alchemy hero. Raven is currently available as an alchemy cat in the Call of Heroes event 2022. Lines. You guys have a vault here? Interesting. Mutant. Maybe you can make me some interesting gadgets? Romeo, Juliet, you're too old school. Trivia. According to the developers, Raven was inspired by a few things, including 2 shows about girl spies, Kim Possible and Totally Spies. Raven might have been named after one of DC Comics' Teen Titans superhero characters.